are you ready to commit to being, being the vice president in case you win and one either Duterte wins or Grace Poe?
Ako naman, I will still be working very hard for Secretary Mar. Siyempre yung pagkuha sa akin was premised on siya yung Pangulo. Kaya ako pinili kasi tinitingnan kung sino yung pinakamagandang katandem niya. So, parang it doesn't make sense kung hindi ako mag-work very hard for him. Knowing na in my heart and in my mind, siya naman talaga yung pinaka-qualified. But having said that, kabahagi ng job description namin, na sa ina-applyan namin trabaho, kahit sino yung manalo, yung pina-pledge namin is the same level of commitment that we're ready to give to our President. Yung level of commitment na kaya kong ibigay kay Secretary Mar, o pina-pledge kong ibibigay sa kanya, walang bawas, yun din dapat yung level of commitment ng pina-pledge ko to whoever will win, should I also win as Vice President. Pero gaya na sabi ko, mapapadali siguro yung buhay ko kung mananalo ako to si Secretary Mar, yung Pangulo, because alam niya kung ano yung capabilities ko. Na-assure ako na ang ibibigay sa akin na trabaho, yung hindi lang yung gusto ko, pero yung nararapat sa akin.
Follow up lang. Considering the comments that Duterte has made, the controversial comments about women Duterte has made, do you think it would make it more difficult for you to work with him, considering his mouth and the things that he said about women?
Oo naman, kasi for the longest time, alam mo ito, may mga ka-opisina ko dito dati, kasamahan ko sa NGO. Alam na for the longest time, I've been fighting for the rights of women. Yung against commodification of women, been fighting for respect and dignity of women. And yung sinabi niya, parang it runs against, everything runs against all that we've been fighting for. So nakakatakot yun. Nakakatakot yun. And in fact, when the statements were given, I immediately sent out my statements also in support of that. Baka mas maging mahirap. Kasi yung pinaglalaban mo, syempre, yung Vice President, siya yung support ng Presidente. Kung iba yung paniniwala nyo sa mga mahahalagang issues, magiging mahirap yun.